How to delete Messenger chat for everyone. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to teach you how you can delete Messenger chat or any specific messages sent in Messenger for everyone in the group or the other person in a private chat. So in order to do that, you need to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Messenger application on your mobile device. To ensure that, you can go ahead, open your Play Store or App Store. Simply search for Messenger or Facebook Messenger application, and if you see an update button over there, simply tap on update in order to update it to its latest version. After that, simply launch the application and open the chat or conversation where you want to unsend the message. Once you're in that chat, simply go ahead and tap and hold on to the specific message that you want to unsend. Then tap on delete and you will see the option of delete. Tap on delete and you will get two different options, that is delete for everyone and delete for you. Tap on delete for everyone and you can see the indication that one message deleted for everyone, and you will see another indication of you deleted a message. So this is how you can delete Messenger chat or any specific messages on Messenger for everyone, but the other person will know that you just deleted a message that you sent for everyone. And if you try deleting the entire chat, it only removes the conversation from your view, not the other person's, unlike Telegram or any other applications. So you need to unsend message one by one on any Messenger chat. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.